All right, Kim, what we got going on?
Okay, we've got 2 sticks of butter, half a cup of sugar. We're gonna cream this together to make us some buttery potato chip cookies.
Yum.
Then,
That looks good and cream.
yep, you're gonna add a little bit of vanilla and mix that together.
Just about half a teaspoon.
Yes. Mix that in. Okay. Then we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We've got 1
3/4 in there.
3/4. Okay. So we're going to take this and blend it together. So we all mix together.
Awesome. Looks great.
Yeah, we did that because there's so much butter in the recipe. That way it all gets together. Okay, now we're going to add a half a cup of walnuts. And crunch them up maybe just a little bit.
Love a good crunch.
And then you're going to take about a cup and a half of potato chips, and we chose the Lay's Wavy.
This is looking cool. Yeah, this is looking like a savory, good snack in here.
Yes. Crush them up, and you'll just have to take your hands and mix it together. That's the best way. I mean, you could take a spoon, but...
Yum. Buttery potato chip cookies. I think this hails somewhere from the Midwest. It feels like a Midwestern thing, like maybe Idaho, where they got a bunch of potatoes.
Okay, then you can take a spoon, or you can just take and make a little ball and drop it on your cookie sheet.
Made with love.
Yes, and get your little, make sure you get a little walnut in there on each of the little cookies. Okay. We're going to bake these at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, let's go to the oven here.
So 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, people. All right.
Let's see what they look like.
Ooh.
They are a little brown on the bottom. They're a little perfect golden.
Yum. Wow. Let them cool for a second and come back. All right, let's give it a little taste.
Okay, here we go. Looks good. It's good.
All right, what do we got here, Sean?
All right, we're gonna make some Iowana s'mores here. These are gonna be some Thickums cookies. So first we gotta take each one, place it in each hole in the baking tin. Now this is the important part. We wanna push it down. You wanna make a nice little hole because we're gonna throw something in there for each one. All right, so next, we're gonna throw some marshmallows inside of each one.
Does it matter how many? You just
You just wanna, you can be generous with it. We're talking s'mores here, Okay. Now we're gonna throw this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, let's take a look.
wowzers.
Oh my gosh.
They're like the perfect golden
Look
color,
at
just
that.
how Mama likes them.
Now that's what you call I want a s'more. Just take a look at that for a minute.
Wow.
All right, now typically over there in Iowa they put some Hershey bars, but we got some Kisses on hand, so we're gonna do that
We love kissing.
right here in the middle. We love Kisses, chocolate ones. Put that in the middle. Ooh, look at that.
Wowzers.
So we're gonna let that melt. while we're doing that, we're gonna take these graham crackers. We gotta crush them up, stick them in a Ziploc bag, and just crush those babies up. Now we're gonna take some of this, just kind of sprinkle it over the top.
I love how it just rolls off your fingers.
Me too. We'll let it cool for a second. We're gonna pull it out of there, and
All right, let's flip these puppies over. Hopefully we got some good little
I
nuggies.
know I'm trying to keep it from with the graham cracker not coming out.
If you do it fast enough, it'll work.
All
3,
right.
2, 1. Oh, I can't wait to see these.
Hold on. There we go.
Wowzers!
Oh.
Look at that.
Wow, look at it. All right, let's take one. Oh,
Oh,
oh.
oh, oh.
All right, let's take this one.
Wow.
Wow, look at
Wow.
that.
Look at it. Break that apart. Let's see
Let me
what's
just
inside.
Look at that.
Ooey gooey
Look
masterpiece.
at the ooey gooey. It's a little hot, so I might wait.
Take a bite of that.
Should I take a bite? Okay.
Yeah.
Mmm. Thank you, Iowa. Some Sour Patch cookies today. We're gonna start with some sugar cookies. Get that thing out of there. And just line them up on this big old baking sheet we got here. Not a baking sheet, it's a baking glass dish.
Gets the job done.
Gets the job done. So we're gonna start with spreading these out. This is just a 2-ingredient recipe, so anybody can do that. You could even, this would be a fun one to do with the kids, with the grandparents, the great-grandparents. Take your pick. We're gonna flatten these out to start. Flatten them out a little bit.
Oh, because you gotta have a little seat.
Yeah. All right, so just keep flattening those out. So we gotta get ready for the little Sour Patch guys to go in there.
It's there.
Okay, so we'll take some little guys and just start smashing them on there. Isn't that fun?
That's so fun.
You like my little Sour Patch glass?
I love that.
I'm gonna, instead of shots, I'm gonna pass these out at parties.
Oh. You could do these like Christmas ones too, like red, green.
These last couple ones. This is so awesome. All right, zoom out real quick. Look at all the
Wow.
colors.
That's beautiful.
That's nice,
It's
right?
like a rainbow.
Okay, so what we want to start doing now is we're gonna want to roll them up, because if you just leave them open like that, it's gonna bake. So you gotta roll these into a little ball.
Like a little taco ball?
Yeah, like a little
Oh,
cookie
no, a dumpling.
top. It is kind of dumpling-ish.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna spray this down real quick because I gotta do one little thing. You want to make sure these aren't touching each other. As you can see, it's all about the details, people. Pretty
It
good.
does look good.
All right, this is ready to go.
Okay.
So we have the oven set to 375. You put it in there for about 8 minutes, but keep an eye on it. And we'll come back in about 8 minutes or so.
Wow.
All right, let's take a look. Woo, buddy.
Wow.
Look at those.
Those look so good.
These look awesome. These would be great to bring to, like, you know, a little church get together. All the kiddos enjoy them. Nieces, nephews. I'm gonna let these cool off just for a minute, and then we're gonna come back. All right, so let's give it a little try.
Oh
Look at
yeah. Nice.
Still a little, you know. I just baked it, so it's a little soft still, but it's hard enough.
Wow. I love a
Yeah, it feels
gooey
cool.
cookie though. Wow.
Mmm,
How's that taste?
actually really good.